Hold it.
He is so let go. His whole body let go.
Oh, I gotta see shit. Hey, Taylor.
Don't stop, stupid!
You have to see your girlfriend.
Don't let go.
Get down to your knees! I beat this. What the fuck was that about, Ed? You started a strength ridiculous bullshit. You started a strength challenge. No, you started to push my hands back like you were strength challenging me, and I took the challenge and I won.
Strength challenge.
He took the challenge.
Okay, come on, bring it on.
Watching Next Iron Chef?
No.
You're like, take 3 more.
Look at me nice and don't be a pussy.
Mark, you know my trick works.
What's your turn?
She just kept yelling more,
Maybe
deeper.
took a couple puffs of his soup and messed it all up.
She was basically trying to give him a boner. That's what she was doing. Deeper and harder and more.
I wasn't on purpose.
Yeah.
He's perfect. Got a cone head going on down there right now.
I am.
So you do not want right down there.
You just give a wink.
It's like a sweaty, disgusting marsh down
Burning balls.
I don't think this is gonna work.
You look gay as God damn it!
Yeah, let's go. Alright, we're good over here. We're gonna get a little bit of fucking. We'll do that.
Hey, dude, you know he has 2 fingers playing on this whole deal?
Yeah, he's going in balls deep this time. Literally.
God damn it. Alright, keep going. Keep going. This ain't no horseshit, Wang. Alright. You can give me a second. Alright. Okay, you just hiccup. We'll do another one. Hey, don't you fuck him up. He needs this.
No.
Fuck you, camera. And fuck you. You see what this shit is?
No.
You know how this shit works?
The light's not very good.
Damn it.
I can't always see you, but...
Ignore Tuck. He's a prick.
Well, thanks.
You're being a prick. He's trying to get over this. Okay, right. Okay, no, wait till you hiccup again. Smooth. Free. Take it, okay? You make yourself hiccup. Do it again. Just do the quick inhale. There you go. Okay, right now. You fucking motherfucker!
I didn't do shit!
You snorted, and you made me laugh!
I did not do shit!
Fucking asshole! And it made Mark laugh!
Alright, fine, you
You're
just do...
getting kicked right in the ass!
You just do whatever...
If you laugh one more fucking time, I'm kicking you right in the nuts. This is a prelude.
Oh, you fucker!